New tonight at 11, a local daycare says staying afloat these past couple of years has not been easy. Child care centers across the country have been hit especially hard by COVID.
But they are doing their very best to serve their local communities despite a dwindling workforce. 2 Side's Liz Lewin has the story.
I'm fighting because of the children, but I'm also drowning at the same time.
If you're a working parent with young kids, you're probably familiar with the challenges of finding quality childcare these days, in big part due to the pandemic. But the reality is childcare centers like Puddle Jumpers on Delaware Avenue are fighting an uphill battle of their own and have been for quite a while.
Last week, we had no school-age kids before or after. Then we had the infant room, which you usually have 8 in there. Now we have 2.
Owner Tanya Calloway has been in the industry for 27 years and says right now her biggest fear is having to turn families away.
We are very appreciative of the stabilization grant. We're very appreciative of the PPPs, but then they run out. So what are we going to do now?
Trying to meet state regulations, keeping up with child to staff ratios, fighting just to pay rent. These aren't monthly struggles. For many daycare centers, they're daily struggles.
Well, I'm licensed to have 69 children, and at this moment, we are at 47. That's give or take. We can go down to 22 within a week. It depends on, if the parent lost their job or if someone has COVID. So it's up and down.
Not to mention the labor shortage. New data from a child care study funded by the CARES Act was unveiled by representatives from Erie County, Cornell University, and other stakeholders, which highlights just how serious the shortage is. Between 2019 and 2020, there was an 11% drop in child care workers. Tanya has 12 employees of her own and a floater, who she finds herself calling more often these days.
I can't compete with the other companies that pay $27, $28 an hour. I want them to be happy, so I give them incentives. I pay days off, I pay for trainings and things like that.
Tanya has applied for several grants but hasn't been awarded one yet. But she's not giving up hope that more help is on the way. And to the parents, she has this to say.
Try to contact, as many people as possible to let our voice be heard, that we need help as well.
Liz Lewin, Channel 2 News.